In this video, I'll be reviewing the Beats Solo Buds. I'll share with you what I liked about these and what I disliked. So let's get started with the positive side. The first thing I liked is the case. It's very small. It's one of the smallest case for wireless earbuds. And you get a USB Type-C port, which means that if you own an Android smartphone or one of the latest iPhone or iPad or MacBook, you will already have the cable that connects over here. And this is important. You see, this could be a negative. They do not come with any charger. This is not included in the box. You need to have your own personal charger and cable. If you connect the charging cable on the back, the other end can go into a charger, or you can connect the other end to a phone and you can charge them with your phone instead. So this is cool that you have this option. Another thing that I liked about them is the sound quality. If you ever owned the Beats Studio Buds that are more expensive, well, I found these to sound absolutely the same, which is great since these are a cheaper option. It's always nice to see that the audio quality got carried. These are slightly more bass heavy than other earbuds, not by much, don't worry. If you're listening to some metal music or even jazz, you won't be deceived by them, but these are mostly made for rap music or anything techno with a heavy bass, okay? You will really appreciate the music if you're into these genre, but if this is not what you like, you won't be deceived by the audio quality. I think it's quite good. Another thing that I liked is that they stay in my ears quite well. They're able to lock in place simply by twisting them in my ear, okay? And by doing this, I can run, I can eat, I can talk with people, and they will not fall down. This is not true with many earbuds or earphones that I have tested in the past. So it's always a positive when the earbuds are actually staying in my ears. Now, things I wish were improved, the negative side. Well, first of all, these do not have any wireless charging on the case, which means you cannot simply put them on a wireless charging pad, wait, and take them out fully charged. Another thing is that this case is not powered. It means it does not have any battery inside, like almost any other earbuds. If you want to charge them, you need to put them inside, connect the power cable, and wait until they're charged. So this could be a downside for some people, that the case is not actually able to charge them unless they're plugged. But weirdly enough, I don't think this is a problem, because these have a battery life of 18 hours, which is almost unheard. I doubt somebody will use them more than 18 hours during a day. I mean, that will be a lot, honestly. So although the case does not have a battery to charge them, the fact that their battery life of the earbuds themselves is 18 hours, I don't think this is a big problem. I actually prefer having a large battery in the earbuds and no battery in the case if you give me such a large battery life. And finally, one of the negatives is that they do not have noise cancellation. Now, granted, for this price point, I wasn't expecting. These are entry-level Beats earbuds. You have the Beats Studio Plus earbuds that do have noise cancellation. And then you have the Beats Fit Pro that has an even better noise cancellation. So for the entry level, they decided to cut this feature completely and not give it. Fortunately, some people will need it, some people not. And just by putting them in your ear, I think it seals pretty well. Obviously, it's not like noise canceling, but it's still better than nothing. The seal around the ear tip is cutting off, I would say, at least 30% of the ambient noise. Are these earbuds for everyone? Well, in my opinion, definitely not, okay? If you're able to accept that this case is not charging the earbuds, this case is not wireless charging, and it does not have noise cancellation, if you do not mind these not having these features, I would recommend them, since the sound quality is great, it's compact, and they do exactly what they're supposed to do. They connect with your iPhone, Android, Mac, and even PC, so they're pretty versatile as well. If you need more features, there's always the Beats Studio Buds Plus or the Beats Fit Pro. that obviously will have more features and maybe slightly better audio quality, but many people won't even feel the difference, honestly. And I have tested both of the other options.